Okay guys, welcome back to another video on the Foxtecc YouTube channel. This time we talk about deleting an alarm on the iPhone. Now, there are some things which you might know. Of course, it's very simple to just open up the clock app, go to the alarm section and swipe it up like this, swipe to the left and delete it. However, a lot of people don't know about it, but you can actually use Siri for it. And I know Siri is not the most powerful tool right now on the iPhone, but you can use it for this. So I'm not going to say the actual phrase so it doesn't like activate but if you just hold down on it, delete all alarms. Do you want to delete all of your alarms? Yes.
I deleted all of your alarms, except your sleep alarm. You can edit that in the Health app.
So yeah, as you can see, I'm gonna disable the Siri. If I come back to the this right here, all of my alarms are now gone, which I consider to be a very handy feature. Like a lot of people just wake up at a different times every single day. Like even if you don't use the alarm to wake you up, you might set it up. So yeah, let's say that in like 30 minutes, I want to be reminded of whatever. So you just hit save and now it is right there. So it just takes up a lot of space. So for this and for even if you just take a nap or whatever, if you don't want to clutter up your alarms page, what you can do is just to use the timer instead. Because you, for example, just can just click here and set up, I don't know, like 1 hour, 50 minutes for your nap or whatever, and just start the timer. Very simple. And it does the very same effect. It, of course, saves it as recents and whatnot, but it's not the same as alarm, which take up a lot of space and just sit there all the time. So this is something that I would recommend you to do. And of course, it is up to you to decide how you want to use it. So yeah, you can of course delete it from the recents as well. But yeah, it's up to you as you can see right here. However, if you have like any different third-party app which you use for your alarms, you can easily just delete the entire app. So for example, I use an app called Alarmy. It is right here. It's a great app actually. And if I want to, I can just delete the app entirely and it's just gonna not ever give me the alarms because it's a third-party app. But yeah, I'm not gonna do it right now. So that's how it works. This is how you can delete an alarm on your iPhone. Before we wrap up, I need to show you the Foxtecc educational platform, which I created for free. It's going to be linked down below in the description. So go ahead and join it right now in the classroom. There are many different courses and stuff that you can watch for free. So definitely go ahead and join. I will see you guys inside. For now, thanks a lot for watching. See you guys later in the future.